Welcome to the planning briefing for Sunday, March 31st. We are tracking high pressure to bring warm and dry weather Monday and Tuesday. Thereafter, we see a series of Pacific storm systems bringing widespread precipitation Wednesday through Friday. And with that system, we are going to be seeing some high elevation snow Thursday and Friday. That's going to be impacting travel across mountain passes, with impacts focused mainly during the overnight periods. Here's a look at the weather threat matrix. A cold front is moving through northwest Montana on Wednesday, and with that we're going to be seeing elevated winds. Thereafter, we see a return of snow at pass level Thursday and Friday, with low impact expected mainly during the overnight periods. The next few slides will be looking at the overall weather pattern and precipitation forecast. On Wednesday, we see a trough of low pressure digging southeastward across the Pacific Northwest, and with that we're seeing precipitation spread into north central Idaho and northwest Montana. By Thursday, that low pressure system is moving onshore into Oregon, and we see southwesterly flow transporting a lot of moisture and precipitation across much of the Northern Rockies, really focusing on Idaho County especially. Going into Friday, that low pressure system moves eastward into the northern portions of the Great Basin, and we see a continuation of widespread precipitation and shower activity across the entire area. And then by Saturday, that low pressure system is going to be moving into the Yellowstone area, wrapping in a lot of moisture into southwest Montana and areas along the divide. What about snow amounts? Here is the most likely snowfall forecast during a 48-hour period ending on Friday, and you'll notice we're mainly seeing accumulations focusing across the higher terrain, especially along the Continental Divide up in Glacier National Park. What about the probabilities? Here we're looking at the probabilities for 2 inches or more of snowfall. Once again, really pointing out areas in the higher elevations. And then also in southwest Montana, there's some higher probabilities showing up. Do take note that there's quite a bit of uncertainty with the snowfall forecast, mainly due to uncertainty with the temperature forecast and the precipitation intensity. So snow levels during this period could be anywhere between 4,000 to 6,000 feet, and that could have a big implications on how much snow ends up falling, especially in southwest Montana. But the bottom line is the accumulated snow is mainly going to be impacting travel over the mountain passes, especially during the overnight periods. Looking out a bit further, just looking at the general weather pattern, 8 to 14 day, the temperature outlook is showing higher confidence for below normal temperatures, especially along the divide and in southwest Montana. And overall, the precipitation looks to be near normal. Just generally speaking, we're going to be in a broad trough of low pressure with a lot of the dynamics and moisture really focusing across the southwestern U.S., more typical of an El Nino pattern. Thank you for joining us. Our next briefing is scheduled for Thursday, April 4th. Thank you and have a great day.